Welcome to our country, where our minister promised us if we give our precious vote to them, then they will try their best to provide us as many as portals where we can swim and relax.
Potholes and roads have never-ending love story in our country. More than 15 to 20,000 people have lost their lives in the span of 3 years, whereas lakhs of people have injured. I'll just tell you the example. There is a person called Damodar Vilhore who lost his son in a pothole road accident, and then he decided to fill the potholes, and more than 6,000 potholes he has filled it. But whereas we are not aware of it, just because it didn't affect our family members or we. So I request you now to wake up and fill the potholes and do not face the problem like Damodar did.
There are so many road accidents taking place due to potholes. Some of the recent issues: NHAI contractor booked for death of a two-wheeler rider. The police booked a National Highway Authority of India contractor for negligence after a 21-year-old two-wheeler rider died on Gurugram Delhi Expressway due to an accident caused by pothole. The second case that I want to talk about is Manisha Paul. Manisha died on July 8 falling off her bike and getting under the bus. The incident occurred after the woman hit a hole in the flooded street and fell. 4 days later, a 29-year-old Mumbai man died after his two-wheeler flipped over a hole in the road and drove over a truck. The third case that is about Chiloda and Damodar district. It is very surprising to see that two police stations refused to register this case. Cops of two police stations, Chiloda and Damodar in Gandhinagar district, Ahmedabad, took a month to decide which police station will register a case of this accident of 25-year-old woman. So these are some of the issues which I discussed, and they are so many.
Roads across the India are in poor condition and need serious repair work. UP CM Yogi Adityanath had pledged to make state road pothole free, and the Chief Minister of Delhi, that is Arvind Kejriwal, announced to launch the city-wide exercise. And the Goa government, they also decided to submit an action plan. But the roads in India are still not pothole free. Each year the pit become more active during the monsoon season. The government given a budget for making the road, and once the budget is allotted, money is sanctioned to the contractor, and then the material required to make a road like cement, concrete and other. The company get money, then the laborers are hired and the work start. It looks simple and clear, but it isn't that much. It is easy to say that there is no gambling, but we all know that there are gambling in the entire system. The money is allotted according to the quality of material, but the authority take money and order the material which is of low quality. Hence the money is saved and it goes into their pocket. A weak or a low quality of material used for making the road is as injurious as cigarettes are injurious for human health. Government, engineers, civil servants are also equally responsible because of their negligence done during the time of inspection. Every year, the deaths due to the potholes are increasing, and it will keep on increasing if the things go in the same way.
Several people around the world have taken actions regarding the issues of potholes. A Bengaluru-based artist dressed as a mermaid and protested poor conditions of the roads. There were several other art installations in the city to highlight the issue to the authorities. A man in Ireland, dressed in a pair of multicolored swimming trunks, takes a quick dip in one of the island's biggest potholes. Guess what happened the minute the video went viral? The council appeared up there and filled in the hole within 24 hours. In Russia in 2015, they creatively painted the caricatures of local and regional officials over the potholes. The local authorities quickly filled in the potholes and painted over the pictures. Recent initiative taken by Domino's Pizza, Paving for Pizza initiative. In this, Domino's is asking the customers to nominate cities, and they're directly fixing the potholes and keeping their logo on it, which says, "Oh yes, we did it."
Hi. So, talking about the pothole issues around the city, I would say that they have gotten worse from what they used to be. We see more and more road accidents caused because of untreated potholes and puddles which pile up water and lead to fatal injuries. It's high time that the relevant authorities start taking these issues on priority and fix them on a real-time basis before they lead into more injuries and cause fatal damages to our loved ones. So therefore, I would also urge each one of you to make that effort, highlight these issues in relevant forum, and just not highlight but also follow it up consistently so that we can get our infrastructure back into shape and the way they are meant to be. Thank you.
Dr. Vasudevan, Dean at the Center for Studies on Solid Waste Management, said that the plastic roads constructed since 2002 have not developed blisters or potholes. This is one possible solution which would solve bad roads and even plastic waste problems in one shot. This is cost effective as well as it saves 1 ton of bitumen.
In our country, in the year 2021, January 18th to Feb 17th is considered as Road Safety Month. So keeping that in mind, we've made a video to create awareness about road safety and potholes. And our own Karnataka government has taken an initiative to fix all the potholes by the end of this month. So please do share a picture of the potholes that you are aware of in the link mentioned below, and measures will be taken to fix them. And if you've faced any incidents regarding road safety due to potholes, please do mention them in the comment section. And please do mention if you've taken any measures to fix this problem and the measures that the government has to undertake to fix them. Please do like and share. Thank you.